So I think one of the most important things that we can do in the crypto market is watch the money. Watch what money is doing. And we've actually been at a period where we've had a lot of fresh capital actually coming into the space. In fact, over the last 90 days, we've seen $16 billion injected into the stablecoin economy. Now, why this is important to you and what you need to know is this typically equates to somewhere between 80 to $160 billion worth of global market cap of crypto. Okay. Now I'm using the 10 to 20% rule. Sometimes it's higher, sometimes it's less, but that also means at the same time we've dealt with some outflows and we've dealt with some inflows because the charts have gone down, they've rebounded. The market cap is about exactly where it was 90 days ago. All right. So again, there's kind of this ebb and flow that's taking place. Now, I will say that as of late, things have in fact started to slow. In fact, we are now at the lowest point of new minting of USDT that we've seen since February 11th. Now, this is important because when we look back at what happened on February 11th, this was about the point where the market started to get a little toppy, and we're kind of experiencing that same thing right now, right? The market's kind of flattening out, not really doing a whole lot, and we haven't really had this next big surge. That's what we're waiting for in the market, right? We're waiting for BTC to break this. We're waiting for that next surge. We're waiting for liquidations, and really what we're waiting for is for some of this new, fresh capital to hit the market because that's always what takes you on to new higher highs. Now, I will say this, the capital that is in the market has in fact been flowing to exchanges. In fact, we have seen this consistent rise, at least as of late here, in terms of capital hitting exchanges. We had a period where things were kind of up and down and choppy in March into April. And then now we're back on the side of huge inflows into exchanges, which is a good sign. It's people prepping, positioning their money in order to buy. Now, what's going to be the breaking point, right? What is going to push us to these next levels? What is going to make this begin to accelerate again where we do see a lot of this fresh capital hitting the industry? It's simple, really. Institutional money. Now, I don't like to, rely on institutional money. I don't like to say, oh yeah, they are going to be our saving grace or anything like that. But we talk about not much minting going on in terms of USDT. Well, the market kind of stagnates at that point. This is typically what we see in summer in terms of crypto. People need to understand that. The market in summer for crypto, especially in the year of the halving, tends to be dog shit. It tends to be flat, boring, not a whole lot going on. Why things have been spicier this time around has to, in fact, do with institutional money. So while we're waiting for that retail takeoff to happen, institutional money has been on this very consistent theme of buying and buying and buying and buying, right? Retail is the one that typically mints USDT. Institutional money is not doing that. Institutional money has direct access to BTC via exchanges. They're not onboarding that way, okay? Now, what is going to get crazy here is if they continue this trend of buying and buying and buying, that's again what sparks excitement. That's what again furthers minting in terms of stable coins. It's what furthers liquidity in the market. And that's what again sends us on to some of these next levels. That's what we're waiting for right now. So that time will be coming very soon. It's going to happen sooner than what it normally does. That's what people need to understand. But I wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.